Hi, I'm Ewan from Cristie Software, and today I'm going to be talking about system recovery. So what it is, why it's important, and how our software can help protect your systems in case of a disaster. So what would you do if your servers were destroyed? Now, they could be a victim of a hacker attack or from ransomware, or even just simple server failure. Hopefully, you'd have a disaster recovery plan in place already. But if not, any system downtime could cause mayhem to your business, from production downtime to loss in revenue, to even potentially damaging your business's reputation. So you need to be confident that if you do have a problem or a disaster, you can get your servers back up and running as quickly as possible. Now, I'm not just talking about recovering the data. What you also need to think about is recovering your operating system and your applications too. So if a disaster does occur, in addition to bringing back the data that's so fundamentally important to your business, you can also bring back the systems that are needed to make sense of that data. So take, for example, your company's database. It's one thing recovering the data for your database. What about the data application that's needed to make sense of that data, and in turn, the operating system that's needed to then run that application? You could rebuild a system manually. This is a very time-consuming process, added to which you'll need to know the exact version of the application that was being used at the time of the backup, what operating system this is compatible with, and has there been any security patches installed over the base operating system and the application. All of this takes more time in rebuilding the system, and the longer that your servers are down, the bigger the impact's going to be to your business. So that's where system recovery comes in. System recovery is also commonly known as BMR, or bare machine recovery, or bare metal restore, and Cristie has several system recovery and BMR solutions to keep your systems protected. Our recovery software gets your systems up and running again by protecting the operating system, the applications, and the configurations of your system. This means that in the event of a disaster, our software can recover an exact copy of your production system in as little as 10 minutes whilst recovering multiple systems simultaneously. What's more, our software recovers your entire system in one process instead of handling each component individually, such as the operating system and each application. So it reduces the amount of human involvement required in the process, and therefore the chances of human error. We also include automation in our software, so we can do things like scheduled recovery testing, so you can check for any potential issues and resolve them in advance, as well as DR orchestration to automate the disaster recovery process, and machine learning-based log analysis to help with any failed recovery jobs, and ultimately to offer self-healing recoveries. And these features, they allow you to run fully automated regular DR tests into isolated environments or to the cloud with full email reporting for any auditory requirements you might have. Plus, we can recover to and from physical, virtual, and cloud environments with full integrations to things like vSphere, Hyper-V, Azure, Azure Stack, AWS, and Oracle Cloud. And we can also recover into any other target environment using our dissimilar hardware technology. We provide system recovery either as a complete standalone solution or with full integration into some of the leading data protection vendors such as IBM, Dell EMC, and Cohesity. Having an integrated solution means you get a combination of system recovery from a dedicated system recovery vendor such as Cristie and data protection from a dedicated data protection vendor. It also means there's only one backup process for you to manage, and you'll get full system recovery to any point in time available from your IBM, Dell, or Cohesity backup, and you can recover your data into almost any target environment, whether it be physical, virtual, or directly into the cloud. But you don't have to integrate with one of those solutions. Our system recovery capabilities are also available as a completely standalone product that doesn't require any third-party software or integrations. So if you want to protect your systems with minimal fuss and hassle, we've got you covered. So there you have it, why system recovery and disaster recovery planning is important and how Cristie can help. To find out more on our system recovery solutions, go to cristie.com or search Cristie Software on YouTube.